Hello viewers, good morning. I am back, DDS Vlogs. So today we will see how to use Kinemaster, the basic steps to use Kinemaster for beginners. So first, to have Kinemaster you have to go to Play Store. So I'll just go to Play Store and search in Play Store as Kinemaster. So I have Kinemaster, and here you will get install. Instead of update, you will get install. So what you are going to do is click on install. Then if you click on install, you will have an app here in your home screen as Kinemaster. So what am I going to do is I am going to click Kinemaster. So once I've clicked the Kinemaster, say continue to app, and then you will come into home screen, and I have did some videos that you were seeing probably the past days. Next you can see the plus button and a video symbol. In the video symbol you have a plus button, click on that and select the aspect ratio for the project. Now what is the meaning of that is select the size of your project. So I am gonna select 16:9. Okay, so what am I gonna do is we have come to the editing area where we edit videos or create videos. So what am I gonna do is you have many options here, such as camera, PixArt, screenshots, export, WhatsApp images, WhatsApp video, and is it recorder free. So many are there. From this, what am I gonna do is for example, I want to make a video on these word clouds. So I'm gonna click on this for word clouds. Once I've clicked this word clouds, you can see that I have 4 word clouds here. And now I want to add some text on it, or else not text, but my image is not that clear. I want to add something on it which will make it brighter. What am I gonna do is click on the image, and you can see here color filter. Click on color filter, and there are options such as warm, vivid, basic. From this you can choose one of them, and you can choose anything here what suits for your image, here. So like that. And then next, in one video you might see, what is that video, World Peace Day. You might see that I have added some transitions to the past, to the next slides. So what you can see here is 3 plus. So click on one of the plus means, for example, I want to make a transition between this slide and between this image and this image. So I'm going to click on this plus, which is between those both images, and you will have transition effect, right? So whenever you have transition effect, there are many of them. So let us see fun transitions. You have many circles, or else you may have 3D, like this, or even like this. Many are there. If you once install this Kinemaster, you will discover everything. That's what I have also did, but I'll just select none for the present now. And now you have your video, but wait, the video is not done yet. Now you must be probably wondering, how do I add text to it? I add text, and many big paragraphs I write. So what I'll do is I'll click on layer and text. Whenever I click on layer and text, type whatever you want. For example, let's say hello. So you can measure the size how much you want. That suits for me. Okay, so wow. So you have this. Now I want to change the color of it. Can you see this white box? click on the white box and you will get a number of these colors. From these you can choose one. I will choose blue. And you must be probably wondering, how do I do outline? So you have already an option known as outline, and enable it. When you enable it, you can adjust the, what do we say, outline. So yeah, like that. And now I want to change the handwriting of this. You can see capital A and small a. Click on it, and whenever you click on it, default there will be in default there will be Android and Latin, which are in default in Kinemaster. I have added these, like I have went to the shop button. You can see here. No, I have buy it from the Cyrillic or something. Devanagari handwriting. So like that. But first I want to just take only one of them. So yes, this is the common thing that you have been seeing in the past days. So like that. Now to view the text, what I want now, if you want to make the text here at the last, for example, I will keep here also hello. All right. So when it is hello, you can actually okay. It will take a little time. No, don't worries. No worries. Sorry. Okay. So suppose if I want to add my text, and if I play, alright. If I want to play, no, I cannot see it. Only I can see this much. You have to make sure that the whole image undergoes this text, right? So that you can view the text. Next thing that you will probably wondering, how do I add music to it? So you can see this audio. Click on the audio, and you have the list of whatever you have recorded. For example, I have recorded many of this, and if you want to, yeah, okay, I have to one more say. You can see this Kinemaster audio 2021 326.23.27 like that. Many will be there. These are all the recordings. These are the recordings done in the Kinemaster. So wait, I'll just show you that option also. First of all, let's select this music. So yeah, I have the music here. Now what am I gonna do is, okay, let me just see the preview of this video. So click on the play button which is here. So I'm gonna click on it. Alright, so the video was perfect, but now you must be wondering, how do I do that fade out at the beginning and the ending of the video, both audio and video? So can you see this gear symbol here? Click on the gear symbol and you will come to the project settings, and in the project setting there is audio. In the audio section, click on start of the project, end of the project, audio fade in and audio fade out at the end of the project, right? So same for the video section also, it is the same, right? So you can see here it is black, but do not worry that my information is all gone. My video will be all black. It's not like that. It will fade in and fade out. I'll just show you the preview. Look, it just faded in. Next, at the last, it will just fade out. So understood? Like that you can do. If you want to change the audio, you can just delete it, and you can add another. Okay, I'll add something else. Okay, I'm gonna add this then. Right. Okay, I have added this music, and this music is a non-copyright one. One more you have to remember thing, that whenever you're doing a video and you want to post it in YouTube, you have to do non-copyright music, because if you do copyright, there will be a problem for your YouTube channel. So next, what is there? Let me see. Okay, I want to change the voice of this background. Now what am I gonna do is click on that green line where you can see, and click on voice changer. And in voice changer you have some of them, in such as two-faced, chorus, funny, man, thrill, robot, radio, computer, like that. If you want to first take a sample video, and you can choose one of them. You choose all of them and hear it once. So how is it? You can hear it, and you can, if you feel okay, you can add that to the music. So I feel it will be normal. That it is great. So I have kept it as normal. Right. Next one. Probably in one video you might be saying that I have added one emoji saying please subscribe to your saying that please subscribe to your channel. So how to add that emoji? See, click on layer and on sticker, and stickers, right? There are classic stickers. So click on it, and you have some of them. Let's say I'll click on this happy face. So you can have like this, right? You can have you can make the stickers like this, or in another way is to add stickers is very pretty much like the text. So what am I gonna do after this emoji? I'm gonna click on layer and text. Same whatever you do in WhatsApp, the same thing. So from this I'm gonna click on the smiley, and you can also do it like this. Alright. So like that. See, we have two emojis. The difference in these emojis, you can see how much difference is there here. So whatever you feel comfortable, you can add by the text method or the sticker method. So like that, there you go. You have your own video in Kinemaster. First of all, try a sample video, and if you want to check the preview of the whole video, click on the back button, and you will see that there is already a video here in the first, saying that Untitled 29. For me, it has been Untitled 29, but for you, it will be Untitled 1, as this might be the first video for you of doing the Kinemaster. It might be, I cannot say it, because some may already have Kinemaster and may have done 2 to 3 videos, right? So click on this play button if you want to preview the whole video, and see, you can actually see the whole video. And see, we have our emojis and hello. Lastly, also the effect adds some what do we say, inspiration in our inspiration means, well, I cannot describe that, but yeah, it is nice at the last and the first fade in and fade out. Okay, now I want to share this video to my friends or families on my YouTube, or okay, I want to share it to my friends, what should I do? Click on the share button, or it is also export button, and here you can actually adjust it. I want it in 4K and I'll export it. Just say skip and it will export. Exporting takes depending on your video. If your video is about 2 to 3 seconds, it will not take much more than half a second to export, right? Now if your video is like 20 minutes or 5 minutes to 10 minutes, it will take it depends on the minutes or hours, whatever the video you are choosing. If it is in hours, it might take 2 to 3 hours or something, depending. It depends on the video's length, and it depends on the network that you have. If the network is slow, it might such a small video like this, even this is for 10 minutes, I think so, maybe for such a small video, for this it will take and whole 2 hours and 35 minutes if the network is not good, because I have experienced that. So from here, you all know, just click on the share button, and from this share button you can share it to your friends and families. You can share it to YouTube, as I always do. So like that you can use Kinemaster. And one thing I want to say, that Kinemaster is a very good app for editing, and it is, from beginners to pros, it is a very good app. So this is a video about how beginners can use this Kinemaster, and the all videos whatever you see in the past days were made by this Kinemaster only. So I recommend this, whoever wants to make videos, or whoever kept a YouTube channel and want to upload videos, I recommend this app. This app is really good. And one more thing, like this app is not only recommended for YouTube videos, it is recommended for anything, any videos it is recommended. So like that. And one thing, once I've exported the video, you can get the video in your gallery. See, we have got our video here. So like that. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. So I will meet you in the next vlog. Until then, this is DDS Vlogs. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe. Share with your friends and families.